First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
We had a gorgeous weekend here in southern Kentucky after we got through all the rain and the nasty weather from Halloween. Everything turned out pretty nice. It did cool down, but we're starting to warm back up now. Southerly flow over the next couple of days is going to bring our temperatures back up, but about midweek, here we go again with another round of showers moving into the area. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, and all morning long it's kind of looked like it wants to rain, but it's really very dry here at the surface. So all we're seeing is a lot of mid and high level clouds at this hour, and those clouds are going to be with us for a majority of the afternoon, just kind of mixing with the sunshine at times. And we may even find a little echo or two showing up on the radar from time to time, but it would all be upper level moisture and probably evaporating before it even reaches ground. We've got a disturbance out west of us that could produce some light rain, say out toward the Boot Hill, Missouri, maybe far western Kentucky, but I don't think any of that's going to reach us here, at least not yet. 59 is the current temperature reading here in Bowling Green. Let's check temperatures around the Mesonet network, and we're starting to warm up nicely, upper 50s to around 60 degrees like Calhoun and Madisonville, Russellville. We're seeing a 60 over at Edmonton and Campbellsville at this hour, even a 61 degree reading at the Mesonet site over in Adair County in Columbia. And the winds have picked up too. Here are the fresh numbers just coming in from the Mesonet network. Look at that 21-mile-per-hour wind gust out of the southwest right here in Bowling Green, and from time to time even close to 25 miles per hour, say up in Calhoun. So it's becoming breezy, but it's a warm breeze out of the south and southwest that's going to be with us for the remainder of the afternoon. And here's what I'm talking about, the dry weather. This is the dew point map. And again, usually during the spring and the summer season, we'll show this, and it's usually painted in green, and the numbers are in the 50s and 60s, even 70s. That's when the muggy air is present, of course. But in this case, it looks brown, it looks dry, and that's because it is. Near the surface, we only have 30 and 40 degree dew points, which means with the winds out there and as dry as it is, not safe to burn outdoors. In fact, we're in the fall burning season, so do not burn anything outdoors. High fire danger as long as these winds keep whipping up. And until we get some rain, I would not burn anything outdoors, even a controlled burn, because it's just too risky. Here's a live look down Scottsville Road. We're seeing that mix of clouds and sunshine. 59 degrees currently with that breezy southwest wind at 15 and that very dry atmosphere. Here is the view from Litchfield in Grayson County, 58 degrees and partly sunny. Franklin is mostly cloudy, temperature at 58 after starting at 37 this morning. Here's Mammoth Cave National Park, mostly cloudy. Your temperature at 61 degrees. It's 60 at the airport at this hour. Much cooler, 40s and 50s off to the northeast of us, where they had a clear sky overnight and high pressure overhead. And then for most everybody around here, it's 50s to low 60s across our neck of the woods. In fact, we're pacing 9 degrees warmer than we were at midday yesterday. Here's a look at the 12-hour radar. Pretty silent here in Kentucky, but you see a line of showers lining up here as I was talking about the Boot Hill, Missouri, down into Arkansas, all that lining up ahead of the main system. But even this is not anything in comparison to what's coming once we get into Wednesday night into Thursday. Between now and then, mix of sun and clouds for today and a mostly cloudy overnight. Tomorrow we may see enough light rain to pick up on radar, maybe west of us or northwest of us, and a lot of that will just be evaporating before it even reaches the ground because the atmosphere is still too dry at the surface or near the surface. But as you head up into the mid and upper levels, here comes that cold front with a lot of rain associated with it and a good chance for thunderstorms as we get into Wednesday night. Partly sunny, breezy, warmer today, 64. Then for tonight, 45 under a mostly cloudy sky. Tomorrow back to 66 and partly sunny, 70 Wednesday. Good chance of showers and thunderstorms and windy Wednesday night into Thursday. But as you can see there, we drop and turn cooler, but a nice looking weekend ahead for us here in the next few days. Back with more Midday Live in just a minute.